Good morning, welcome back. It's been a couple of days since our last video, but today we're going to look at the Nissan Pulsar that we bought from auction for $700. We paid another $120 in fees and $100 in a transport to get it here. So we're about $1,000 into this car, and we've finally got it on the hoist, and today we're going to pull it apart. And well, not literally pull it apart. We're going to check out the front end damage and really see what we're up for. Whether we're going to be in the hole massively, whether this car is not repairable, or whether it might be an easy repair and easy flip, I don't know. But we're going to have a look, and we're going to pull it apart and see exactly what's going on.
The light's busted. Grill's busted. Front bumper's alright. Just need to re-glue this one. Fog lights are good. That headlight needs a polish, but it's cracked, so we'll just put a new one in.
What else is behind it?
Can't see. The fans are here. The thermo fans are here. Not sure if they're damaged. Good chance they are. Intercooler's here. Good chance that's damaged. This radiator support's all busted up. This bumper, this guard. You can see all that pushed in. The bumper's mounts are all busted up. It's got high flies on it, so they're separated. We all know they're separated. Awesome. The headlight globes are still good.
Well, I'll save a couple of dollars.
I like this main support here is all busted. Condenser's busted, so the horns on the condenser.
So new condenser, new radiator.
New radiator, new condenser, new radiator support, new support there, new bonnet latch because that one's all busted in. You can see how it's pushed over and damaged, bent. Have that repaired, put a pedal shop, new overflow, new headlight, new grill, second-hand guard if you can, bonnet all damaged here, big creases through here right now. This guard's savable, we can just fix all that up, some new, that trim's not broken, it's just clipped out, so we can pop that back in.
Perfect.
Driving. Got some oil leaks. Rear main's leaking. Timing case is leaking. Sump may be leaking. Lower sump's got a slight weep. Red tape means go fast. These bumper mounts under here are broken. That one's alright. This one's just missing a clip. Put the clip back in. That's alright. We'll be able to plastic weld that back up maybe. Yeah, that should be able to plastic weld back up. Down here is not too bad. That's got a slight bit of damage there. Once we get the radiator and everything out, we'd have to check if that support's straight. If not, that's a job. There might be a bolt in subsection actually. Some more headlight.
What's that support? What's that? No, the damage?
No, that's fine. That's fine. That's straight. That's solid. So is that one.
Well, that's harmless enough.
We can pull the front bumper off.
Oh, that shocky looks
Shockingly bad.
no good. Well, there's some work to do, but not as bad as I think I hope. Anytime you're going to bring a wheelie bin out, it's not a good sign. This can be saved, surely.
Yeah, the car one.
Excellent.
I mean, like, there must be like a higher up tow bar or something. Because if they hit something down low, if they hit something down low, this could go.
Yeah. Surely I could have saved that. Well, new headlights. And that's the light bulb that we saved. No? Still saved?
Yep. Oh no, it's blown. Look, a big blown mark on it. She blown. No saving that.
Excellent.
Extra $14 out of the kitty. What's up? Now you have to get a new plug for that.
Well, it's easy enough.
Yeah.
$2.
Just pop that off and we do the wires in there.
So this then, just screw that and replace that? Or get it all the way
Yeah,
up?
that's bent. That's bent, so that'll have to be straightened off, which we might be able to do ourselves anyway. Feel this is damaged.
What's that now?
The air intake. See, it's all busted. Broken here, all damaged.
Excellent.
All right, so to recap, we're up for a radiator condenser support, bottom supports, no structural damage whatsoever, slight bend in here. This panel, I think we can save this quarter panel. Some damage up here, which I think we can save. I thought initially we may have to replace that panel, but I don't think we do. No other major damage through here, which is oddly good. Airbox is busted, a couple of sensors and pieces broken, headlight destroyed, that's fine. Bottle needs to be replaced. You can see a few other bits and pieces, squished, broken, busted. Hoses, not too much going on really. This light will probably replace as well. Obviously the bonnet, which got folded in half, will need to be replaced. This panel, I think we can save as well, this quarter panel. So overall, I think we got really, really lucky.